Dear students, today's topic is operation on fractions. We will now learn how to add and subtract fractions. Certain methods are followed for performing these operations. Addition and subtraction of similar fractions or like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions is nothing but a usual arithmetic operation. After checking that all the denominators are the same, the rest will be performing addition or subtraction to our numerators. The denominators will tell us if we can add or subtract them directly. And if we are dealing with the denominators, this means that we are dealing with similar fractions or like fractions and dissimilar fractions or unlike fractions. So first of all, we will learn adding like fractions. To add the like fractions, you have to follow three steps. First step, make sure the bottom number, that is the denominator, should be the same. Second step, add the top numbers, put that answer over the denominator. And the third step is you have to simplify the fraction. Let's see one example. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So the step 1 is we are the bottom numbers, that is the denominators, are same. So straight away we will go to step 2. Add the top numbers, put the answers over the same denominator. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will be 2 by 4. Now we will simplify it. Answer is 2 by 4. Then we will divide 4 by 4 divided by 2. You will get the answer 1 by 2. Let's see one more example. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So here you can see in step 1, the denominators are same. Okay. In the next step, we will add the numerator. That is, we will add 1 plus 3. Next step, we will copy the denominator. That is, 5 will remain the 5. And in the last, in step 4, we will skip since it is not mixed number. And the step 5 is we will convert into the lowest term if possible. Let's see one more example of a mixed fraction. 1 whole 1 by 5 plus 2 whole 3 by 5. Here you will check if the denominator is same. Yes, here the denominator is same, that is 5. So we will add the numerators first. So 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 will become 4 by 5. Now we'll add the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 3. So you'll get the answer 3 whole 4 by 5. Now we will learn how to subtract similar fractions. Dealing with the addition of similar fractions, it was quite simple. You just have to ensure that the denominators are same so that you can proceed to add the numerators. Subtracting similar fractions have the same procedure with adding similar fractions. The only difference is that you will be dealing with the subtraction. Now, we will learn subtracting similar fractions or like fractions. First of all, we will learn how to subtract proper fractions with same denominators. See the example. 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5. In step 1, we will see the denominators are same and then we will subtract 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, and then in step 3, the answer will be 2 by 5. As the denominators are same, so we'll write 5 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the answer will be 2 by 5. Let's see one more example of a mixed fraction. 2 whole 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4. Now we are going to convert them into improper fraction. 4 multiply 2, that is 4 to the 8, plus 1, that is 9. So 9 by 4, when subtracted with 9 by 4, you'll get the answer 0 or 0 by 4. 0 by 4 or 0 is the same. Now let's have a quick review of adding and subtracting fractions. To add or subtract similar fractions or like fractions, just add or subtract all the numerators and copy the denominators. Then convert the answer to the lowest term or mixed number. For adding or subtracting mixed numbers with the similar denominators, first convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions, then add or subtract the numerator and just copy the denominator. Remember, convert your answer to the lowest term or the mixed number. Now, the next topic is addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions, that is unlike fractions, means fractions with different denominators. For the addition or subtraction of similar fractions, we are dealing with the numerators. Meanwhile, for the addition or subtraction of dissimilar fractions, it means that we will be dealing both with numerators as well as denominators. As you can see the example, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 4 by 7, these all are unlike fractions. Understanding of the following prerequisite topics. First is addition and subtraction of similar fractions or like fractions. Second, we will find the equivalent fractions. Third is finding the least common denominator or LCD. Now, how to add unlike fractions? We will learn it step by step. First of all, there are two steps. First step is change all unlike fractions into like fractions. In order, we need to change the denominators of the fractions into common denominator. Remember that similar fractions has the same or common or like denominator. Step 2. Proceed with the same procedure as adding or subtracting similar fractions. We will follow the same procedure of adding or subtracting similar fractions as follows. First of all, we will add or subtract the numerator. Then we will copy the denominator, and after that, convert the final answer in the lowest term. Let's see one more example. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Here, we will first of all find out the common multiple of 3 and 4 because denominators are different. See, 3, the multiples of 3 are 3 and 4 is 2 into 2. So we will multiply 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. This is called LCD or least common denominator. As the denominators are same, so we'll put 12 as same denominator and 8 minus 3 will become 5. So the answer will be 5 by 12. Subtracting unlike fractions. 12 by 16. When subtracted with 1 by 4, we will convert 1 by 4 into the same denominators as the denominators are different. So we will multiply numerator as well as denominator by 4 to make it a equivalent fraction. So after that 12 by 16 will be subtracted with 4 by 16. We will get the answer as 8 by 16. And then we will simplify this fraction and we will get the answer 1 by 4. Now let's have a quick review on adding and subtracting unlike fractions. To add or subtract dissimilar fractions or unlike fractions, change dissimilar fraction into similar fraction or like fraction. Then add or subtract the fractions as similar fractions. The sum or difference must be in the lowest term. And to change the dissimilar fractions into similar fractions, we need to find the LCD or least common denominator. Thank you.